Today I'm going to teach you how to set up your Google site for your digital curation project. So we're using Google Sites, so you're going to start at your Google Drive. You're going to go to the Google Apps. You're going to select Sites. It's going to pull up our page. We're going to hit Create. We're going to select New Sites. Your new site will pop up, and it's going to look like this. Up here, you're going to put your name. Highlight your name, and it's going to be your portfolio. Here, you're going to title the project. I'm going to title mine, my middle school experience. Now we know whose site this is and which project it is, okay? So, for me, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to change the theme of mine because I don't like the way it looks. It's really easy. Over here on the themes, change the color, theme that's already up. Which I like. I'm going to change it to green, and then I'm going to change mine to, oh yeah, I like this one. This one's cool. I want it to be green. Great. Okay? Pretty easy. You guys can pick any of those themes that are on there. Next, I'm going to go back to the insert page, and I'm going to go ahead and add in some of my content. Alright, so I'm on YouTube. I'm on a music video that I want to use. I'm going to copy the URL. I'm going to go back to my site. I'm going to go into Google Embeds. This is awesome that that we're using Google Sites because you can embed pretty much anything from Google really easily. So I'm going to hit YouTube. I could search YouTube here, or I can just put the URL, select, and it's going to insert it into my project right at the top. Okay? So now I have my first piece of evidence. I'm going to go ahead and add another. I have this article that I want to use. Go ahead. This one's not Google, so I'm going to hit Embed URL. Add it in. I'm going to select Preview. I don't want the whole page to pop up because it's going to populate a large portion of my project, okay? I'm going to hit Insert. And it popped down under the Rocky Balboa. So here's the thing, is that Miss Poindexter and myself really like the way that Pinterest kind of looks when it is populated and how everything collates. So what we want you to do is kind of arrange your evidence so it's side by side. And then obviously you're going to have to, you select insert text boxes. You just drag them and attach them to the bottom of each piece of evidence. And that's where you put in your justification. So let's say I did all this stuff. The last thing I'm going to do, let's say I added in all 5 pieces of my evidence. I've already added in 5 justifications into my text boxes. What you'll do is you'll hit publish. You can select your name. Make sure that your name is in the name of your web page. We have it set to anyone on K-12 Albemarle can see it. You hit publish. And then you'll be able to view your finished site. So here's my finished one, my middle school experience. And it has all my pieces of evidence and all of my justifications attached.